Some creators are secretly raking in $115,000 a month just by reposting TikTok videos on Facebook Reels without filming a single clip. No copyrights, no hard work, just a simple trick that turns viral content into huge payouts. This isn't just theory, it's happening right now. Let's dive in and break it all down. First things first, a Facebook account is needed. Almost everyone has one, but if not, signing up is easy and completely free. Once logged in, it's time to create a Facebook page because that's where the magic happens. Click on See More from the left menu, scroll down and select Pages. Then click Create a new page. Choosing a catchy name and an engaging description is essential since this helps in attracting an audience. But don't stress, there are tools to make this process easier. A name generator can instantly suggest unique, catchy names, and for a professional description, AI tools like ChatGPT can create an SEO-friendly bio with just a simple prompt. Just type in, create a short, engaging Facebook page bio for trending videos, and it will generate multiple options to choose from. Once the perfect name and description are set, just hit Create Page and move on to the next step. A professional-looking profile is crucial. Adding a profile picture and cover photo makes the page look trustworthy and appealing. Not a designer? No problem. Free tools like Canva can help create stunning profile images in just a few clicks. A good tip is to choose a minimalist and clean design that resonates with the page's niche. Once everything is set up, optimizing the page settings is key. The username should be easy to remember, so if the desired username is unavailable, adding numbers or slight variations can work. With the Facebook page ready, the next step is content creation. But don't worry, there's zero need to be on camera. Now comes an interesting part, creating a realistic character to maintain consistency in videos without actually showing a face. Some people are camera shy, and that's totally okay. There are AI tools like Playground AI and Artflow AI that can generate high-quality lifelike avatars. Simply enter a prompt like 21-year-old content creator sitting in a studio with laptop, and within seconds a unique, professional-looking avatar is created. Once satisfied with the look, the next step is animation. Uploading the image to Artflow AI makes it possible to turn the static avatar into a smooth animated character that appears natural and engaging. One trick to make the video longer is to duplicate scenes, ensuring it meets the ideal video length before exporting. With this step done, it's time to find viral videos to repost. So, how can trending videos be found? Simple. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube are filled with viral content that gets millions of views. Using Google Trends can also help in spotting what's currently hot. Searching for terms like viral dance challenge or funny pet videos on TikTok will display countless popular videos. Once a good video is found, the next step is downloading it, without a watermark. Various TikTok downloaders are available online that can easily save videos in high quality. Editing the video is the next crucial step. The goal is to make the content unique while keeping it short, engaging, and high quality. CapCut, a free and easy-to-use editing tool, is perfect for this. Starting a new project, setting the aspect ratio to 9:16, and importing both the TikTok video and the AI-generated avatar is the way to go. To make the character overlay look professional, using the masking tool helps position the avatar neatly on the screen. Adjusting the size, placing it in a non-intrusive corner, and ensuring the main video remains the focus is important. Adding effects and filters is what makes the video stand out. CapCut offers a variety of effects, both video and body effects, that can enhance visuals. For example, a slight gold-toned filter can give a warm, polished look. It's also a great idea to add text overlays or captions to increase engagement since many users watch videos without sound. Now, the final step, uploading the video to Facebook Reels. On the Facebook page, scrolling down to find the Reels option and clicking Add Video is where the magic happens. Choosing the edited video, adding a compelling caption, and using popular hashtags can significantly boost visibility. A good strategy is to phrase the caption as a question to encourage comments. Something like, "Which part made you laugh the most?" increases engagement and helps the video reach a wider audience. Posting regularly is key to success. Uploading at least 3 times a week keeps the page active and helps reach Facebook's monetization requirements faster. Consistency is what separates viral pages from those that never take off. Plus, once the page gains traction, Facebook's Reels Play bonus program allows monetization through ad revenue, which means those re-uploaded videos start generating passive income. If this strategy sounds like a game changer, don't just sit back, make a move. Hit that like button, smash subscribe for more insider money-making tricks, and turn on notifications so you're always ahead of the curve. The next big opportunity is just one video away. Don't miss out.